Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 with the Xbox app and the same Microsoft account. Once you've signed in, make sure your Xbox is set to upload captures to OneDrive or a connected external drive. Now, on the console, select the capture, choose Share, then upload to OneDrive or copy to USB. While that uploads, switch to your PC and open the Xbox app. This prepares you to access the files as soon as they finish transferring. Now you'll bring the captures onto your PC. In the Xbox app, open Captures and locate the items just uploaded. You can filter by game or date to find them quickly. If you used OneDrive, open the OneDrive app or web, navigate to the Xbox Captures folder, and download the original files into a chosen local folder. If you copied to a USB drive, plug it into the PC, open File Explorer, and move the files from the drive into your videos or pictures folder for editing or sharing. Finish by opening your captures in a player or editor. You can play clips with Movies and TV or VLC, choose an editor like Clipchamp or Premiere for trimming. If a file won't open, convert it with Handbrake or check codec compatibility. This fixes most format issues. If files are missing, make sure OneDrive finished syncing, the console completed the upload, and your Xbox app is up to date. If needed, check folder permissions on the PC. This single step often resolves access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.